In today's video, we're diving into a cool topic on how to use ChatGPT for brainstorming ideas. Whether you're a writer, a content creator, or just someone planning an event, ChatGPT has got you covered. Now, I will give you a demonstration on how ChatGPT can help you provide creative inspiration. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Let's say we want to throw a fun gathering event for K-pop fans, but we need some unique ideas. So we'll send over this prompt here and let ChatGPT generate ideas for a bit. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT provided a good set of ideas. Though, you can also be more specific to ask ChatGPT for your creative ideas to broaden in further details. For instance, I'll ask ChatGPT for ideas to plan for in-person K-pop events like this prompt here. So, right here, ChatGPT was able to list down more ideas what you prompted specifically. In short, if you're willing to need further details, just simply command with follow-up questions. And so, that's how you use ChatGPT to brainstorm ideas.